Namaste. Welcome to the series Sounds of English. What are the rules for language usage? Are we aware of them? The basic rules for language usage are 5: semantic, phonetic, syntactic, pragmatic, grammatical. And the 4 basic skills in language are 4. So I said 5 and 4. The 4 basic skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, if we must speak any language, we must know the rules and the important skills, both. The 4 basic skills in language, as I said, are also called as LSRW, and each one of them holds its own importance. Let us see what are the rules. What is this? Indeed, it's a chair. Now let us describe this chair. This is a right chair. Am I right? No. Wrong. It's not a red chair. This is a table. Am I right? No. Wrong. It's not a table, it's a chair. This is a chair. It is a chair, but I said it wrongly. It's not chair, it is pronounced wrongly as chair. The pronunciation is chair. Chair this is. Now the sentence is all mixed up. The syntax is wrong. And of course, these is a chair. When I say that, again I'm wrong. Why? Because my grammar is all wrong. So, the first sentence, this is a red chair, has broken the rule number 1, which is the semantic rule. The meaning is wrong. It's wrong. It is not a red chair. It's a green chair. This is a table. This sentence breaks another rule. It's not a table. Pragmatically speaking, it's a chair. So the object is not the same that we're describing. This is a chair. When I say that, the pronunciation actually breaks the rule for phonetics. Chair this is. The syntax, when it goes wrong, it is breaking the syntactic rule. So we must use the syntax, the sentence arrangement properly. These is a chair. Again, the grammar is wrong. It's a singular object, so I should say, this is a chair. Well, so we described the 5 rules. All of us are aware that in India we speak many languages. India is a multilingual and a multicultural country, isn't it? We mix a lot of languages when we speak, and also we have a mix-up of languages up in the head. We use our mother tongue at home. We use English at school, college, and at work. And we use Hindi in social circles. We watch a lot of entertainment in Hindi too. So, most of us Indians are exposed to more than 2 or 3 languages at the same time. Indeed, there could be some confusion up in the brain. So, apart from my native language, I am also exposed to English, and maybe I get confused when I speak that. That could be the case with many of us Indians. Well, when it comes to language abilities, different people have different abilities. Some people are good at math. Some people are very good at numbers. Some people are very good at languages. But if we are not so good, we must not blame ourselves. As I said, the blame goes to the confusion. We can learn any language at any age. It's just that we need to try a little bit. We need to give it a push. We need to give it time and effort. Our mind is processing different things in a short span of time. For example, I'm applying common sense, I'm applying planning, analogy, I'm applying reasoning and analysis. Also, I'm trying to perceive my surroundings, and at the same time, I'm trying to express all this with the tool of language. So, with a lot of confusion up in the head, sometimes it's possible that maybe I'm not very good at languages. ಈ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸುಧಾ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಂಗೆ. Speaking ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Speaking comes from sounds. Both consonants and vowels have their sounds. Consonants ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕ ಕ ಕಿ ಕಿ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಂಜನ್, ವಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವರ್. Vowels have sounds too. However, no word can be complete without a vowel in it. Vowels give meaning and sound to a word both. The five vowels make different sounds. English is a non-phonetic language. Non-phonetic andre spelling ಮತ್ತೆ pronunciation same iralla. Some words have a different spelling and the pronunciation is different. English uses many combinations of vowels to make sounds. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಟಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲಿಪ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ and the passage of air in the mouth also counts a lot in English. Let us come to some basic vowel sounds. Of course, we are also going to look at consonant sounds. Let us look at some basic vowel sounds. The first vowel, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So the first vowel sound, A, A, O, A. These are some basic sounds that the vowel A makes. The words like ask, another, same, saw, apple. Let's look at the sounds coming from E. The vowel E makes basic sounds A and E. 2 words, elephant and event. Sounds coming from I. The vowel I makes sounds I, E, A. Sometimes it's a long E also in very rare cases, but some words from I, idea, ink, receive, joke. Let's look at some sounds coming from O. O makes basic sounds O, oo, and aw. So now let us look at some sounds and words with O in it. Go, move, food, so. Let us come to the sounds made by U, the vowel U. 2 basic sounds we must not forget, A and O. For example, sun and put. Now these are the basic sounds, and these sounds help us to understand how to pronounce a certain word correctly. For example, many Kannadigas say yand for and. It is not y, it is a. To understand sounds even better, we must understand how to use the English alphabet properly. Let's go. I'm just going to say this and I'm sure all of you are going to follow me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's try and practice this every day. It cleans our tongue. Now, let us just say 2 words from the list and try and understand how each consonant is pronounced. We just had a look at the vowels, now the consonants. P, open. It's not P, but it's P. P, open. Now T, it's not T, but it's T. A little bit of that H sound to that. Toe, tie, butter, but, tiger, like that. The K sound, cap. C and K both are pronounced like K. Cap, king, soccer. The B sound, B. The D sound, do. G sound, gap. G is sometimes also pronounced as je. F sound, fat, offer. V sound, whenever we pronounce V, we have to make our lips flat. V. The TH sound, thing, free, something. Then again the TH sound with a thrust. We have to pronounce it this time with a little thrust and say it sounds like the, this, then, other. The S sound, S, like a snake, sip, sad, class. The Z sound, here is where ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಹಳ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಿಪ್ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿಪ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಝೀರೋ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀರೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಝ. ದ ಶ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಶಿಪ್, sugar, sugar is sh, not sugar. The j sound, j, measure. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ರಷ್ಯಾ, ಮಷೀನ್. ಶಿಕಾಗೋ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಕಾಗೋ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಕಾಗೋ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಸಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಓಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಹ್ಯಾಟ್, ಹ. ಹೂ, chin, ch sound, teacher, chin, chair. Gin, the j with j sound, gin, John or George. Map, the m sound, n sound, nap. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಸ್ನಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ, nap. Hang, lead, red. R should not be pronounced very strongly, it should be rolled out. Red. Wrong. Carrot, the W sound, wet. When, the I sound, yet. Few. Of course, we need to practice this. This is very basic. We shouldn't forget these sounds. Let's come to some long and short vowels. There are some long vowels and there are some short vowels. The problem is we get confused when to use what. So, salpa practice madona banni. Pronounce the words as they are uttered. Long vowels: cake, keep, bike, home, cute. Short vowels: cat, bed, sit, top, sun. Other vowels: put, soon, dog, join, down. So, all these together, we come to the 46 sounds of English language. One last revision with all the sounds of 26 consonants and 20 vowels. So, let us just say them again. The p sounds: pa, ba, ta, da, pen, bat, top, doll, kite, gun. A little there. Then the nasal sounds: nest, mug, swim. Then the vibrating sounds: fox, van, thongs, that, sun, zebra. The stop and vibrate sounds: chain. Then the gliding sounds: they just roll, they just glide. Rabbit, roll it, rabbit, web, yo-yo, hat. And of course, there are combination sounds like x and x. For example, fix, six, and exam. A combination of G and Z. Exam. Exactly. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ exactly ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, exactly ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. Let's come to the 20 vowel sounds very quickly. Short vowel sounds again: apple, elephant, insect, orange, umbrella. Long vowel sounds: apricot, east, ice cream, open, uniform. These words have to be said a little longer. Uniform. Other sounds are from a combination or a mix-up of vowels: moon, book, car, horse, bird, cow, bay, boy, beer, chair, flower. The word beer, beer, is always mispronounced. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀರ್ ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ. ಬೀರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಿಯರ್, ಇಯರ್ ತರಹ ಬಿಯರ್. Y is a tricky consonant. Y is also sometimes a vowel. For example, the word fly, fly, ends with a Y, but it is pronounced as I. So, let us remember all these rules. To sum it up, what did we understand? We understood the rules of language. We understood what are the four skills in English. There are four skills in English. And of course, we understood the sounds of consonants and vowels. Are we going to practice them? Yes, we must. Thank you.